Hello students, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Quizlet. Make sure you're on your Wednesday page, go down and find computer vocabulary. This is called Quizlet. Quizlet. This is where we're going to be learning how to remember vocabulary words. As you see, I'm right now on flashcards. I can play them and they will change automatically. If it's too fast for me, I'm gonna stop. I can also choose options and I can turn the audio on for all of them. I can only see the term or the definition or both. For studying purposes, I want you to choose both. Now you see a microphone, which is a term, and a definition. I can also listen to these words.
Microphone. Microphone. Something you speak into so people can hear you. Microphone. Something you speak into so people can hear you.
So I can listen to both the pronunciation of this word and then the definition. If I know how to pronounce and I remember them, I can go to the next
Blackboard.
one.
Conferencing tool for online learning used by Northwest College for our webinars. Synchronous learning.
If I've learned this well, I read it, I can go next.
Webinar. A class taught over the internet. Students and teachers can talk together online.
And so on. If you are tired of listening or if you don't want to listen, you can turn the audio off. If you want to test yourself and only see the definition and guess the term, you can do that by changing definition only. Now you only see the definition, the word, and then the definition for it. Go next. You're going to see the word. You'll need to think, what is the definition? Oh, it's blah, blah, blah. Or maybe you want to switch it around. Choose term. You're going to see the term. Oh, what is the word? Oh, it's this word. Next. This is the definition. What is the word? Oh, it's asynchronous learning, and so on. So play with the settings here. See what works for you. You can always start over to do everything again. This is what you can do with flashcards. Go over to Choose a Study Mode. Click here. You will see a few more options. You have Match, Learn, Test, Flashcards, and Spell. Start with Match. Click Start Game. It's a matching activity. You need to drag the word to its definition. Click, move to where you think the word is, and if it's not correct, it will be red. If it's correct, it will be green. Maybe tool is this definition. Oh no. Maybe it's this. Oh no. Maybe a class taught over the internet is webinar. Yes. So you can move the words around to match them as you want to. You can play again as many times as you want to. If you're done with matching, go over to Learn. Learn gives you a few options. Scroll down to click Start Learning. You can listen to the definition.
A portable computer, the opposite of a desktop computer, which is meant to stay in one place. For example, your desk.
And then choose the correct word for this definition. If you choose the right one, it will switch over to the next word. You can move around to see both words, 1 and 2. Oh, it's wrong. And then you see the correct one. You can continue to go to the next. So listen.
A class taught over the internet. Students and teachers can talk together online.
Read the definition if you need to. and then click on the correct answer. You have a couple of options here. You can also choose one answer, or you can start with a term if you want. You want to see both the term and the definition. You can turn the audio on and off if you want to. So play with your settings, see what works for you. Once you're finished with Learn, go to Spell. Type what you hear. Click here to hear the word.
Moodle.
You see the definition. Type what you hear.
Microphone.
Maybe if you make a mistake, it's going to say
Microphone.
incorrect.
MICROPHONE.
And it will give you the correct spelling. So try to copy the spelling and type again. Microphone with PH. Let's see, press enter
Asynchronous learning.
to see if it's correct.
Asynchronous learning.
And do this for all the other words until you finish them. Next, the last activity you want to do is a test. A test will have many options. It will have true or false. It will have multiple choice. It will have maybe some drag and drop activity. So how does this work? Let's try. Read the definition, read the term, or you can listen to both, and then choose the correct answer. To talk over the internet, to chat, I think it's true. Then go next. Choose true, false, whatever you think. Then you have multiple choice. Choose the options you think are correct for you. Here you have click a term to match it with the definition, or select from the list below. Scroll down to see your definitions. You can click. Maybe it's this one. Click here, then choose the word. Click for this one, click the word. For this one, click the word, and then the last one, click the word. Then write your answers here. And then if you want, you can click next to the next activity. You need to type again, type again, type again. And then at the end, click to check your answers. And you will see your score, and you will see how much time you spent on it. If you want to redo it, click Take a New Test to do it again. And that's it, students. This is how we use Quizlet in our class. Remember, you can switch between the modes. Always start with flashcards. Play with your settings. See what works well for you. Enjoy!